Hello everybody, another air fryer recipe today. Lovely, eh? These air fryer recipes, when I do them, don't do them often. If you watched me live stream the other day, Saturday, when I went on my half-hour walk, I popped to the butcher's, where I lost my glasses. I got all tangled up and everything. Everyone was laughing at me. I got myself some more Mr. Marinade Piri Piri chicken. £6.99, that is. Net weight 1 kg, minimum of 900 gram. So £6.99, pre-marinated. It is delicious. I've had them before. So today we're going to do them in the air fryer and in a gyro wrap. That's what we're going to do. Nice and simple. Let me show you. Okay, that's all I've got. My Mr. Marinade Piri Piri chicken. That is made locally to us. See down there. You haven't seen it before. But I do sell it all over the country in what's it called? Butchers. So you have to have a look on your butchers or wherever to see if they do it. There's the ingredients. You want to have yourself a mooch. Nothing else on the back. It is nice. Anyway, I just got myself a bit of salad. I got some Roman lettuce, tomatoes, and some red onion, and some Greek style flame baked flatbreads. Nice and simple. I'll move them out of the way while I'm preparing the chicken. Don't want that chicken splashing all on there. And we'll open this up and I will show you. And it is delicious for something that comes like this, you know what I mean? Put it in a bowl so you can see. And you get loads, look. Absolutely loads. Let me just throw this away. And there it is, look. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the air fryer warmed up for 5 minutes. And then we're going to get it in. Okay, air fryer is warmed up. Let's get a bit of oil in there. And we'll get the lovely Piri Piri chicken in. I don't know if I'll get it all in because there's quite a lot here. So there's a kg. Let's try and flatten it out a bit. I've got the air fryer on 180 degrees and I'm going to put it on for half an hour and turn halfway or until it's done. We'll try and get them all in. Look nice, don't they? And the taste delicious. I think I've done a tandoori. Was it tandoori? I can't remember what I've done. Chicken tikka, was it? I can't remember. I've done a couple of them. I can't even remember if I've done this one before either. Well, I think I'll get it all in. No, I won't. I've got about 4 pieces there. I'll do it in batches anyway. Okay, guys, we are done. There they are. I put my other ones in my air fryer oven instead of there they are. Look, they look absolutely delicious. I have checked the temperature. Yeah, I put the other ones in the air fryer oven just to get them done. That's all. We're going to get them in a bowl. Bring you across there. Oh yes, they smell really nice. Really nice. Oh. And the same ones. Get the other ones out. And there's them ones. There was 4 left, look. I could have probably got them in the end, but we'll put them in there. I'm going to cover them up for 5 minutes with a bit of foil. Like so. Just why? We're warming them up in the air fryer. Okay, we are ready to dish up. Those took about 2 minutes, that's all. Soften them up a little bit. There's the chickens, look at them. Oh yes. I think I'm going to put... Well, I'm not having any mint yogurt or anything like that. I'm just having mayonnaise. I'm going to stick some mayo on. Bit of lettuce. Get it on there. Bit of chicken. Oh yes. Don't be shy with the chicken, eh? Let's get a couple of pieces on there. Let's turn it that way. Get some tomatoes on. And we'll get some red onion. And we'll pull it in. One of them. Ooh, yes. Let's wrap that nice and keep it like that while I dish the others up. Oh, yes. I'm getting shouted at that, by the way. Because I'm being told to hurry up because it smells delicious. Doesn't it, Bab?
Too busy singing.
Too busy singing.
I'm messing about. I've had dinner with Philip now for about 5 minutes. Does it on purpose?
I don't.
You do?
What was I saying? Having some food.
Yeah, and then you're like, oh, I'll just put that over there. And I'll put that there. And just put
Right, you go first then, darling.
It smells delicious. I like that.
You like that?
I like it a lot.
You like it a lot? You like it a lot?
That's nice.
I'll probably have to put a bit of sriracha on mine, I suppose, but maybe I won't, I don't know. I'll find out in a minute. Make sure I don't eat that foil. There is more left. I've got some more to make, but everyone's had one first, and then I can always make some more. I think I've probably got enough for probably another 2.
Heaven. Nice.
Yeah, isn't it?
That's your nose.
Oh, that's really nice. I don't need any mayo, any sriracha on that. That's lovely.
Very nice.
How much chicken have I got left? Oh. I got. So I can make some more. Do you want a piece of chicken on its own?
No, it's okay, thank you.
No. Oh, that's really nice, Bab. Isn't it?
That's really good.
So £6.99 for that stuff, but it is really nice, isn't it? That Mr. Marinade. Because there's 2. There's the one I do when he sent me all the ingredients, which is delicious, and there's this one. They're 2 different companies, which he sells them to butchers. You'd have to look in your area. I don't think he sells online. I think he only sells to butchers. I'm not sure. You'd have to check. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is heaven, isn't it?
It's heaven on a cake.
I think I'm going to have to go and buy some more of that off him and put it in the freezer. For when we just fancy some.
Does it do other flavours?
Yeah, we had that before, didn't we? Had that orange, did we have the orange tandoori one before or something?
Oh, yeah.
We had a couple before, didn't we? I don't know if we had this one before. We had 2, didn't we?
You look in a vacuum bag. Yeah. Yeah, I know which one you want.
I might get some for the summer, actually, for the barbie. Put them in the freezer. I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Next time I'm up there.
That'll be nice.
Grab a couple and put them in the freezer. And we can have them with some buns or some of these, can't we? Yeah, we'll do that.
These are better.
These are nice now. These Greek style wraps are nice, aren't they?
Very nice.
From Aldi they were. Can't remember the price, about £1.40 for 4 in a pack. Right, I'm going to go and enjoy it, guys. Oh, so nice. She's licking.
Big quart again.
Oh. Proper drunken food, isn't it? Well, yeah, we can have these, can't we, when we have a beer? In the summer.
Yeah.
couldn't we?
These are so nice.
They're so nice, aren't they? They're so nice, yeah, they are. Right. I'm gonna go and enjoy it. Piri Piri, gyros or wraps or whatever you want to call them. In the air fryer. Absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10. Yeah? 10 out of 10. Easy.
Definitely, yeah.
I'm going to go and get some more. Till the next time, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.